What's up guys, Random Razor here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out the OtterBox Statement Series case for the all-new iPhone XS and XS Max. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, test it out, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. Anyways, it comes in this high quality cardboard box here, easily slides out like so. The first and only thing that we get here is the case, and that is pretty much it. So the statement case, just like last year's model, it's pretty much identical except larger for the iPhone XS Max. It's an interesting case because it's basically like a hybrid between the clear symmetry case, the normal symmetry case with a solid colored border, and this unique leather piece on the bottom here. And it is a hybrid style case that features TPU borders fused to a polycarbonate shell. Anyway, since the iPhone XS does not get officially released until tomorrow at the time of this video, I do want to share with you guys what it looks like with an actual iPhone. So here is a replica of the iPhone XS Max in white. It's a very simple case to install. I usually go button side first, and it just pops into place. So take a quick overview of this case and what it has to offer. Starting off with the top here, you do have an excellent amount of top protection with this TPU material wrapping around the entire border of the phone and lipping just above the glass. You have the OtterBox logo engraved on the side, cover for the power button, same thing with the volume rockers, covers as well. You still get a nice tactile feedback when you press on them, as well as a generous cutout for the vibrate and ringer switch. You can see the top part here is slightly cut out to reduce any chances of interference with the light sensors as well as the FaceTime camera. On the bottom, you have 3 individual cutouts for your stereo speakers, mic, and lightning ports. And finally, on the back side here, you have a cutout for the camera and flash, this leather patch on the bottom here that defines the statement series, and a crystal clear back that shows off the iPhone logo, Apple logo, and the color of your phone. Overall guys, just like last year's statement series case, it's a great choice for those of you who like the design and look. For those of you who are looking for a case that doesn't completely cover up the iPhone yet still shows off the color of it, such as the new gold model that just came out, the clear back here really is a nice option with the statement series case. The leather piece on the bottom here is a nice subtle design feature and really gives the case an extra premium look. You can see even though it's an OtterBox case, it does offer a fairly slim form factor with thick enough borders to protect your phone in case of a normal drop. The TPU that OtterBox uses on top of the volume rockers as well as the power button are fairly soft, so it still feels like an actual button when you press on them. And from my experience of using the iPhone X model of the statement case, it was compatible with my edge-to-edge tempered glass screen protector, so you shouldn't have to worry about screen protector compatibility with this case. In terms of any cons or things I don't like about this case, the only thing I could say is the clear plastic back here. Although OtterBox states that it is scratch resistant, like anything clear plastic, once it starts scratching, it doesn't look as well as it does brand new. In conclusion guys, if you're looking for an iPhone case that isn't too tacky, you definitely can't go wrong with the OtterBox statement case. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments about this case, ask me in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.